Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and my name is Sonia Luthra, and today's video is about a good news that I wanted to share with you since pretty long now. And the good news is 3, 2, 1, I'm back on an Academy platform. Most of you are thinking what is an academy and why I am back. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you. An academy is one of the India's largest online platform which helps you prepare for n number of different competitive exams, and Ielts is one of them. So earlier I used to be educator on an academy platform, but for some XYZ reason an academy had to shut down their live classes, but now they are back. Since they are back for their live classes for Ielts, I am also back. So what's in it for you people? So as an aspirant, there are a lot of students who cannot afford a proper mentor or a proper training, so they like to search for free resources and sources, right? So Unacademy is one of the platforms which offers you paid as well as unpaid professional guidance on IELTS, right? So in today's video, I'm not actually going to talk about the paid guidance, but I'm going to talk about the unpaid guidance. Yes, I'm talking about the free sessions from India's top educators. Okay, so I am one of them, and in the upcoming week, I'm gonna take a lot of reading sessions, and that's gonna be absolutely free. So in today's video, I'm gonna actually tell you that how exactly you can go ahead and avail these free live classes. You can unlock these free live classes and get benefited out of it. So I'm gonna tell you step by step everything, that how exactly you have to go ahead and register yourself, and how you can go ahead and unlock the special classes or the free classes. Everything that I will be talking about, all the links that you're going to use for the registration will be mentioned in the description box. So firstly, see, there are two ways that you can go ahead and register yourself on the Unacademy. One is on the mobile phone and the another one is on the laptop or the computer. Okay, so for mobile, if you have an Android mobile or if you have iOS like Apple mobile, below in the description box I have given you the links to the application for both the platforms. Like, you can go ahead, click on the link, and you will be directly directed to the downloading link, and you can go ahead and download the application from there, and you can register there with your mobile number. But do not forget to use my code, which is SONIA10, to unlock the live classes. And for the computer, I'm gonna walk you through step by step. So let's see step by step how you can go ahead and register yourself through the computer.
For the mobile registration, you have to directly go to the link that are mentioned in the description box. Click on the link and it will take you to the downloading page of the app. Download the app, use your mobile phone, and sorry, it's very stormy here in Gurgaon today, so sorry for the background noises. Yes, so I was talking about how to register for the mobile. So click on the link, it will take you to directly the downloading page of the app. Download the app, use a mobile number, and it will give you a OTP. Use the OTP and you'll be registered. If you are the first time user, you have to use my code SONIA10 to unlock the free live classes. Okay, now coming back to the registering on the website, what you have to do is open any browser on the laptop or your desktop, type Unacademy there. Okay, so click on the second link that you have here. It will take you to the website of the Unacademy. Click on the login. Again, use your number here. Since I am already registered, so it will directly take me to the IELTS goal. Here it will send me the OTP and I'm gonna use the OTP. The OTP here is 605249 and click on verify the OTP. Once the OTP is verified, it will directly take you to the page. see. So for me, the goal is already selected as IELTS, but for you, it would not be selected as IELTS because you are the first time user. So click on the drop down option, click on the manage goals, and you can probably control F and search for IELTS. Now click on the IELTS and it will take you to the IELTS page. Now what exactly you have to do is you will have to go, and the page would something be like this. So here would be popular courses, here will be educators. So click on see all, go for my name, here is Sonia Luthra, click on Sonia Luthra and click on follow. So since this is my profile, I can't follow myself, so you will get an option to follow me. Once you follow, here you will see the IELTS category, but these are the plus courses, which are the paid courses, and these are unlocked for you as of now. Go scroll down and here you have a category called special classes. Click on see all. So here are the upcoming classes. These are the 4 to 5 reading sessions with the date. Click on it, and since it is my profile, it will not let me notify, but here you will get an option to click on notify me, and you can click on that and you will get a message or a text message from Unacademy itself before the class starts. If you scroll down below, like leave the few top classes because these are of CBSE, but if you scroll down and down, so you will see a lot of other Unacademy like IELTS classes. Here we have quick discussion on complex compound sentences. You can just click on these classes and the classes will automatically, you can click on watch now and the classes will be played. So this is the way exactly you can go ahead and unlock all the classes. But the only thing that you need to go ahead and make sure that since you people are the first timers, you are registering yourself for the first time, use this particular code Sonia10 to unlock these classes. If you don't use this code, you will probably not be able to unlock these special classes or free live classes. Okay, so this is the way you can go ahead and, like, similarly it was for me, you can definitely go ahead and enroll for the other educators as well. Like supposedly you want to go ahead and do it for some other educator, supposedly click on the educator and then again the same procedure, you have to follow them and go to the special classes, and you can go ahead and see any of their live classes as well. So I hope you people must have got some insights about the Unacademy platform. So I am looking forward to see you all in my upcoming live classes, which are absolutely free of cost. And if you have liked the video, please do subscribe the channel, because on my YouTube channel also I will be coming up with a lot of important stuff for you for IELTS preparation. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any new video that I will put it on my subscription. Also do like the video if you like it and if you think that it was beneficial for you. Okay, then I'm gonna see you very soon in my upcoming classes on Unacademy as well as on my YouTube channel. There are other ways also you can get in touch with me, and all the ways you can get in touch with me are mentioned in the description box. So be safe and take care. Looking forward to see you soon. Bye bye.